Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. We are going to do a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? God, I hate that movie. I can't get it out of my head. My kids made me watch that 1,000 times. We're going real light, like really light. White cell activator. I have color shift from CRAFTNIQUE.
And I want a black accelerator.
Accelerator?
Well,
I still have my buddy Nancy here with me. And so if you hear her chattering and everything.
in my Kentucky accent.
Yeah, she takes showers. Showers. I liked when she said that. Alright, so I'm using untinted base for this, which I'm stealing one of Nancy's cups. Don't tell her I said so. Even though she's standing. Oh, I cracked my cup! Okay, so it's dollar store. I can't cry that much. I decided it wouldn't be fun unless we were watching Nancy too. So she's using my color scheme from last night. Although she layered her stuff differently. And oh my gosh, you should have some negative space with that. And this is my cell activator, y'all, that I have concocted and conjured. And alright, I'm not watching. I'm not watching. If I keep watching, I'm not going to get anything done. What was this? This was the one you made.
Was it Robin? Meridian.
No, Meridian Blue from Colorants. I don't have this one. So Leslie is nice. I mean, oh, no. Nancy was nice enough to let me use it. Isn't that sweet? Just a teeny tiny bit. Look at that. Like that. This is African Jade, which is just so pretty. So this is a silver from CRAFTNIQUE. If you hear my silly boyfriend laughing in the other room, don't worry. He just came back from the loony bin. Just playing. Just a little bit. Just a little more of that. Yeah, so I'm using my white cell activator. So you want to bring it down this way. Nope. Yep. It's slower. Let it come over and hook, and then bring it straight back to the other side. Okay, here we go.
He's having a good time laughing.
Yes, he is.
Good for him.
I think you're overstretching, dear.
You think?
Yep. I can't stand stripes, but stripes are in. People are liking them, so you really can't ask my opinion on that. I'll always be honest with you, even if my answer is not okay.
That is pretty.
Thank you.
You swipe it with white.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I like mine just the way it is. I know it's weird looking.
Hey, it's a learning process. Absolutely, it's colorful. Like I wanted it to look like snow and stuff blew up against the snowman. And was like, you know what I mean? I can hear people going, uh-oh, I wonder how the hell this is going to go.
I really, really like it. Ooh.
I'll get it right. There is something I'm looking for, and one way or another, I will get it. God, these Tswipe things have seen better days, let me tell you. He's got a frosty hat, see?
Oh, I like that. That looked good. You just need to get that tip right there.
Oh, I thought it went over. Thank you. The wind is blowing this way, and the light is coming down, so it's got a shadow. And he's gonna get eyes. I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see what happens. I know I'm gonna have to touch this up when it dries, but I definitely don't want it to, like, think it can come down this way because it's not allowed. Unless he's got a crooked hat on.
Sure.
I'm happy with it. Now I'm ready to do my angel. All right. Oh my goodness. This is my snowman. Made with all interference and pre-dispersed mica pigments from both CRAFTNIQUE and Colorants. But this is kind of what I wanted. I wanted a snowman that was like really hit hard in the winter, And then this developed and I was like, oh my gosh. I want to do a piece just with those colors. That's insane. And then his face, I wanted it to be as light as possible. But it looked like a car drove by and hit him with dirty snow. So we'll go with that. But you can see the lacing. Isn't that cool? That's using the interference with the cell activator in the Tswipe. So, and then his frosty old hat. Look at those cells, you guys. Look at that. That's what I was going for. I was trying to make the whole hat like that, but I'll have to work on that a little bit. But that's CRAFTNIQUE's new color shift, y'all. And every color you put it in front of, you get a mystery color. It's crazy. Nancy's giggling. Let's check out Nancy's here. I had record on, and then my alarm went off and shut it down. But yes, it looks like a wispy wonderland.
I like it.
I do too. Because now that it's not so stripy, you have squiggles. And ask anybody on YouTube. Jen has a thing for squiggles. But check this out. That lacing inside the lacing, that's with my Tswipe, y'all. And I taught it to my student. And guess what? She likes orange. She came here hating orange and she likes orange. She's going home with some orange. Thank you for watching. Good night. Thanks for watching.